Hello YouTube, and today I am going to show you something that happened earlier on June 19th, 2016. What happened was I went to Ancaster to do something, and then I came across a Pioneer car wash located on Wilson Street West. And back then, this used to be a Snorkel gas station without a car wash. And then a few years after that, they turned it into a Pioneer gas station with no car wash still. They just put a Tim Hortons there. And then, a few years after that, they built a car wash. They tore down the Tim Hortons and they moved it across the street from in the same parking spot and put a long tunnel wash. And I know and then I saw it light up too. And I didn't know what system it was back then, but I know today it is a Belanger SpinLite system. I know these are really rare to find, and I never filmed one before. Reviews by Vince has also filmed the system too, but he done an inside view and he got the ultimate wash. I didn't do an inside view because we didn't need a car wash back then, but thankfully there was someone going through the wash and he got the ultimate wash. So I done an outside view to see how well it did. And plus, also since I done an outside view at this wash, I haven't been back there ever since. Hopefully I will do a revisit one day if I'm back in Ancaster one day. So anyways, I think that's all for me for talking right now. My voice will be younger again as always, since it was taken before the car wash isn't did at the Mark 7 Choice Wash XT located at the Shell. I'll put a link in the description below of the Mark 7 Choice Wash XT malfunction. Anyways, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good day. Okay. Well, here we are the car wash, that is the brushes light up. That is pretty cool. I've never been to that. I'm not going through it, so it's pretty good. It's an LED light. Oh, and the top brush just started up. And there for sign you have pouches. So here's the wash part of it. He got the ultimate, it looks like he got the ultimate wash. I'm going to do, and I can hit the dryer. Now we will go, I will go through the window. I can hit the dryer. And there's the top brush, there's the rear scrubbers. The top brush is still going, but here comes the tri-foam, and there's the rear scrubbers, and there's the LED brushes. Nice, right? And when they're started up, and it's doing a great job washing their car. I don't know what kind of system it is. Never been there before. And it looks like crazy. Looks like we have a not for top brush, but it's going. There's another top brush. It looks like if you get the ultimate brush, you will get the tire shine. There's a top brush going over his car. And there's the tire scrubbers for the tire shine. This is a nice car wash, and I will recommend it. And there's the top brush going down. He's getting the spot-free rinse. And right here for dryers lift up. Here for trial. And for trial, tire shine just discontinued. And he got the ultimate wash, like I said again. He's going over for a car. For top, for tight. And he's doing, and it's Drive's doing an amazing job as usual, lifting up. And it looks like he's done. Anyways, I will show you. Bit of brushes and this, and an actual system. Pretty amazing.